Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the environment and timeline ready. Close windows, mute devices, and position a condenser or dynamic mic about 6 to 12 inches away. This reduces plosives and keeps volume steady. Once done, open your video in the editor and scrub to the first scene you'll narrate, placing a marker at the exact endpoint. Make sure to arm your audio track and record a short test line to confirm levels and tone so you don't waste time redoing long takes. Now you record in focused, repeatable chunks. You should warm up and then speak directly to the camera's intent, varying cadence for emphasis while keeping consistent mic distance so levels match. Record each marked segment separately. This makes editing faster and reduces breath noises. Monitor with closed-back headphones and aim for a healthy LUFS level without clipping. If you stumble, stop, take a breath, and redo only that short take. This saves time compared to re-recording long passages. Finish by cleaning and syncing your takes. You'll trim excess breaths and background clicks, then apply subtle EQ to remove muddiness, light compression for consistency, and a de-esser if sibilance shows up. Once processed, align each VO clip to its video marker and add short fades or 10 to 40 millisecond offsets where needed so the words sit naturally with motion. Export a WAV master and render your final video. If audio sounds off on other devices, recheck room noise and mic gain as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.